So first of all, I'm not really seeing the function clearly, but I'm just going to try to guess it, what it is. As I said this before, some of your images are not coming as clear. So I think next time you may, make your camera a little bit closer to the problem, or you can just use www.mylearnmate.com, and the quality of image when you snap it is much better. But I'm just going to guess it and you can actually correct the numbers and follow the same step that am I using in the problem. So as I'm seeing, this is negative 4x squared plus 80x minus 402. That's my guess. Okay. Now the domain, the first question is domain. Find the domain of the function. This is a quadratic function. So this function is quadratic. Or it's a quadratic polynomial, you may say. So the domain of all quadratic is always all real numbers. So that's negative infinity to positive infinity. Now, to find the range will depend because the graph of quadratic is either like this or like that. Okay. And it will be the first one if the coefficient of x squared is positive, right? And it will be like this if the coefficient of x squared is less than 0, which that is less than 0 because that's negative 4, right? So the graph is going to be like this. So therefore, the maximum y value is going to be the y value of the vertex. And I'm going to need to compute the vertex in this case, the y value of the vertex, okay, which is k. So first I will do h, that is negative b over 2a, which b is 80, so that's negative 80 over 2 times negative 4, which is negative 80 over negative 16, and that's 5. So h is 5. Then I take 5 and plug back into the function to find the k. So k will equal to negative 4 times 5 squared plus 80 times 5 minus 402. And this is 25 times negative 4, negative 100. 5 times 80, that's 400 minus 402, which is negative 100. And 400 minus 402 is negative 2, so this will be negative 102. Then basically the graph is like this. So you're going to have something like this. Okay, so the maximum. It's going to be like, so the graph is kind of like that. Okay, graph is like that. And this value here is negative 102. So then the range is from negative infinity to negative 102, and this is a bracket right here. This must be a bracket. And these are all parentheses because this is a maximum value, so I can't pass negative 102. Okay, so basically that's it. But if I copy the functions incorrectly, then the steps are this. So you can just correct the number and follow the same step to solve the problem.